Okay guys, so we are going to solve a CSES problem, minimizing points. So what the question states is basically we are given a sum x, right? And you have to find the minimum number of coins required to make that sum x out of the n given coins, and we can use the same coin more than once, right? So this is the pretty straightforward question given to us, right? So what we can do is that uh, so basically it's straightforward a dynamic programming problem because there can be a lot of possibilities, and since we have to find the minimum number of ways, minimum number of coins required, right? So we can use the dynamic programming over here, right? So so let's jump straight into the code. uh, so basically what we are doing is in the solution is basically, first of all, we are just taking the standard inputs, right? we are initializing the we are initializing the DP array, and yeah, so basically we are calling a function, and we are assuming that this will find us our answer. What it says that basically I have X amount of money left and I am currently at index 0. So basically this is what our find function states, right? So, and what does the find function now do is basically it states that if my all the coins are exhausted, if I'm at the last, like if the all the possibilities I've taken with the coins, I'm at the last index. So it might happen that uh, our x would be 0. So if x is 0, we will simply return a 0 over here, and else we will return a 188. So why we are returning a 188? Because as we can see in the problem also, that that the maximum value of x can be 186, and the minimum value of the coin can be 1, right? So the answer can never be 188. So for that reason I have returned 188 over here, and then we are just simply checking in the cache if it is already solved or not. And then what we are doing is basically, let's say uh, I'm not interested in taking, there might be possibility that I'm not taking that coin which is currently at IND. So I will just simply move forward with the remaining amount as it is, or I can take the array of IND, right? So I will subtract array of IND from the x, and why I'm not doing IND plus 1 over here, because it's given in the question that repetition of coins is allowed, right? Because we have unlimited supply of each coin. So because it might happen that there was a coin 5, and I take 5 once, then I take 5 again, right? So it might happen that I take 5 again. So for keeping that possibility, I have not increased the index, right? Okay. So and since we are doing the minimum of the not take and take, and then we are simply just storing the answer in our cache. And what basically, and why is this check? If answer is greater than 188, what is mean? Does it means that our dynamic programming there is no such possibility, right? Because 188 can never be the answer if that amount is can be made. So we will simply see out -1 in that case, else we will see out the answer. Uh, Also, a brief discussion on the time complexity and the space complexity. The space complexity here is like n into x, and the time complexity is also n into x over here. uh, and now we'll try to submit this, and let's try to submit the solution. So yes guys, our solution is correct, but it is slow, since recursion it sometimes is slow and tabulation is preferred. So okay, see you in the next video.